Kianna Dy is a Filipino volleyball athlete. Dy attended the de la Salle Santiago Zobel School from kindergarten to high school and finished her high school in the year 2013. Dy had been a Lasallian since kindergarten. Her blood was essentially green. Dy graduated with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Business Management from de la Salle University. In 2016, Dy received her very first collegiate-level award, the Most Valuable Player Finals, after winning the UAAP Season 78 championship against arch-rival Ateneo. With F2 Logistics Cargo Movers, Dy won the 2017 PSL Grand Prix Conference Championship and was awarded the second best opposite spiker. In 2015, Dy played for the Shopinas.com Lady Clickers and the Meralco Power Spikers in the Philippines Superliga. She was a member of the Philippines women's national volleyball team that competed in the 2015 Asian Women's Volleyball Championship, where it placed 12th out of 14 countries. Dy studied at De La Salle University and a former member of the university's women's volleyball team. In high school, she played for the DLSJ Junior Archers in the UAAP Girls Division. As a high school player, she received the UAAP Girls Division Most Valuable Player during Season 73 and Best Blocker Award in the Season 74 and Season 75, having won 3 UAAP Volleyball Championships from the Season 73 to 75. With NCR team for Palarang Pambansa, in 2012 she won the regional championship.